Okay, so this, uh, this stream's gonna be short. I do not feel very well. So I'm not gonna be able to make this entertaining at all, more or less. So, but today is exciting. Today is exciting. I was like extremely low energy because we're doing the small little things left to do. Before we can post a demo. And then you guys can all play the game. And tell me what you think. So there's a few things we gotta do. For one thing, I had to I had to remake all of the resources for the students, so that took a bit of time. But we do have all of them in here. They're all here. And they're all fucking gigantic. So that's so that's one of the main things we have to do first, is get them to be player sized, which I have based on 2 squares ish, give or take. Yeah, so that's pretty easy. So we just kind of have to go into the packed models and resize everybody, and that's pretty much it. And there's like one other thing that we have to do that I can think of. So it's a lot of this. So it's pretty boring, all things considered. Also, Malia, Sarah, I cannot draw very well, to answer your question. I kind of fuck with them being gigantic, to be honest, so I'm gonna keep them the way that they are. This guy's fucking huge. Like, you watch him, like, walk through the floor, it's kind of insane. And the scale is twice as big as normal, so yeah. And I do want him to be a little bigger, but not that big. You know, some of the you'll notice that some of the colors have changed on some of these guys. That is because I didn't save their colors in the Blender file, so that shit just kind of got lost and I had to redo it. You know, oh well. It is what it is. Banshee should be floating as well, actually. Now that I think about it. Yeah, no, this is pretty much what we're doing today, so not much of a stream. But at the end of it, this will be posted. Which is exciting in its own way. Something like that. The pixie is quite large as pixies go. Yeah, they should also hover. Do that hover thing. Yeah, and it's something that we can mess with. You're actually good. You are in fact actually sized correctly. You should be around that size. The Revenant, it's too big. I still think it's funny that the Revenant is literally just a guy who's like, I'm gonna fuck with your shit. And that's his whole fucking deal. He's just a troll for fun. He's like, I've come back to life literally to fuck with your shit. That's it. That's all I want to do. That's why I'm here. The Teka actually has to be like pretty fucking small because it's literally like 2.5 head height. So like only around that big. They're pretty small, all things considered. Yeah, so I'm sorry I'm like low energy. It just is what it is. Nothing I can do anything about right now. William! Isn't it incredibly late for you? Why are you awake? On a Monday, no less. On a holiday. Well, there you go. Unfortunately, today, you've caught me at, like, the worst day. I have, like, a horrendous headache. But, William, exciting news. After stream today, this will be posted, for free on the Patreon. So you can just go to the Patreon and then download it. Don't have to pay shit. It'll just be there. But you should also still join the Discord so that you can give me feedback and shit. But yeah, you caught me at a pretty horrendous time because today's stream is specifically gonna be short. I'm shivering in the corner as always. Well, cheer up, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, no, today's stream is short because I feel like doo-doo ass. But we're so close to this being done that, like, you know, kind of have to. I very much want to post it. I want to post a video announcing it, but you know, it is what it is. So they should all be the right height ish, give or take. Hello, Amalia, how you doing? Yeah. Okay, well the Jinn is still fucking gigantic for some reason. Why is he so big? He shouldn't be. He's sized. He's sized properly. Oh no, that's the Huldra. Also, this one's one of my favorites. Evil woman who's just you know, whatever. Yeah, I forgot to fuck with the Huldra. I also fixed a game-breaking bug off stream. Cause I the way that your rival was randomly selected, if you killed them, like let's say you killed them already, right? You killed your rival on day 1. All right, and then you killed more people on day 1 as well. You killed extra. You did some extra murder, right? It would try and make you kill people that were already dead, thus meaning you could literally never succeed, and you would always get a game over from that. And I think honestly the day is too long. It's like one of the other things, I think. Well, yeah. So that's the other thing I want to do. So resize everybody and fix it. Very quick, very simple, very easy. Again, today's stream is going to be very short. The other thing I wanted to do, if I can, is have a transition. You can see if I can make like... I'd want an animation to play like an overlay of like time going forward, but not today. But yeah, I want to do a transition, which is a thing. Because I have a UI and I have an animation player and I specifically have a fade to black transition. So if I could, if I can just like figure out how to do change scene, you know, fade to black and then change scene with a with like, you know, somehow, then we're pretty much good. Honestly, that's like literally all we need to do. Also, someone followed on Twitch that I didn't realize. I appreciate that. Thank you. Also, hello everyone that is here, and hello everyone that is not here. Yeah. Again, today's stream is short. We're doing like literally 2 things, and after that, we're pretty much good. I gotta, I had to redo stuff, so some of my work actually got deleted, but it's not crazy amount of work, and it's not like too hard to do, so we will just kind of... The important thing is, once we get the transition, I want to fuck around with sound effects for the... NPCs. Mainly the hurt ones and the step, which is... For the step, I think we will just use the same thing over for everybody, just like a normal stepping boot sound. Maybe. We'll fiddle with everybody a little bit, but anyway. Godot, how to play animation with a function call and pass arguments to the function. I assume it's play animation, comma, whatever. You must use the call method track within the animation player. Because animation player... So we need to like get a variable that is the animation that set path. Okay. So that's how we have to do it. Cool, cool. You know what we could do actually is instead of like having it like that, we emit a signal on the UI, right? So we say we have a function in here, right? So func emit ready to transition scene signal bus dot ready to transition dot emit, right? And then so we go to the signal bus dot gd, right? Signal. Cool, right? So we just have this, and then we have we have a static function here, and then when we change scene, like we go into the, I'm really bad at explaining. I'm dehydrated and I feel like shit, so my ability to explain things is pretty sub fucking par. We get rid of this essentially, and we add in a new one, which is a call method. Ready. Yep, this one here, which literally just emits a signal. And in the game manager, right, what we do is on ready, signal bus dot connect funk transition scene. Honestly, what we'll do is we'll literally just steal this. Packed scene. And then what we do is we do var anim player equals get UI manager dot animation layer. Right? Yeah, this thing. Dot play fade, oops, fade to black transition. Then, so it starts the transition every time. So I'm doing this so we don't have to go into every time we ever want to change levels, which we've changed levels a lot. I don't want to go and rework all that. So if I do this, what should happen is that it starts to, when you call change level, it sends the proper shit. It starts fading to black. The thing gets called. That signal gets emitted. It emits, and the game manager hears it. And when it hears it, it actually transitions. Which, now that I think about it, is actually dumb as hell. Because that's just for changing levels, not for like teleporting the player. Uh, you know what might be fun? Okay, instead of like a fade to black transition, if you literally get locked in place and then you just kind of lerp to your destination. Or you tween to your destination or some shit like that. That could be fun. We'll do that. Because all I'm trying to do is I'm trying to be like, shoop. You know, this something's happening instead of just immediate teleport. So that will be in the guard somewhere. Classification, leveled up player count, classification. Searching state, no. Well, yeah. Where did I fucking... Where did I set their fucking... How did I make them teleport? Because, like... It's here. Right, there's a lot of locations, but like... Man, what? It has to be in the searching state. I don't know, like... Oh, there it is. Teleport to class. Oh, it's literally like a, So that's in the player, actually. That's interesting. Yep. Var tween equals get tree dot create tween. I forgot how we tween shit. I always forget how we tween shit. Tween dot tween property. Yeah. They don't have a global position, or do they? Oh, shit. Wait. Between. And then, so we do finite state machine. We need the player scene. We need to pretty much get locked, and then we also need to go back to free. So, dot change state player locked state await tween player free state. So now we should get locked and then keep going. We should get like long into wherever our class happens to be. Also, you notice if you're too far, you can't interact, and then it changes, the cursor changes, indicating whether or not you can interact. That worked a lot better than I thought it would. You don't really get an indication for time, but that's functional, honestly. That's fine. That works. I'd wanna tween the as well. Where did I fucking set that? See, this is an issue where like I haven't coded this properly. Oh. Or I have to be like, I don't know where I put this function that has to do with the time. Like, it should be in the thing that handles the time. But because I'm stupid, I don't actually know. I don't know. I didn't even know these were like... I must not be using this shit anymore. UI canvas layer. Yeah, I'm not using that. Alright, well let's fucking follow the path. So in guard, if we get seen, what, it's in the searching state. Player dot teleport to class. Oh, it's literally in here. It's right here. I need to change this to be like whatever dot add hour. um Put that in the time component as a function. Func add hour doesn't return anything. Put this shit here. Fuck. I don't need that. And what we do is we do another tween. So var tween equals get tree dot create tween dot tween property self elapse ticks to set, and then same duration as you getting sent. And technically you're not adding an hour, you're adding like the amount of time left in an hour minus like a few minutes. Oh, we never called it. That's right. Game manager dot get time component dot add hour. I was like, oh wow, nothing happened. That's crazy. Didn't tween at all. Why are we shooting so many fucking... Oh, right. That's why. Oh, it's because we did that. Yeah, this is just like a little polishing stuff to make it like, you know, yeah, there you go. The power of tweens, everybody. Oh, you can that's funny. So, a bug. But yeah, you see how like it goes whoosh. Anyway, so that now you know when you can and can't interact. And it still works with like, you know, the way that shit is. Now there's just a lot more dudes. The genie should float. Or should the genie float? I don't know. It's whatever. Anyway. What I want to do, the only one that's gonna have like a bunch of proper vocalizations is actually Part Software. Just because I have his laid out. He has a bunch of stab sounds. Anyway. I don't remember what, like... Yep, fuck that. Ugh. Boot. Everyone's hurt sound is gonna be a bonk. That is just the way things are going to be. God, I hate how much this is. Okay. I'm gonna have to click so many fucking times. I have to actually add the element. Fucking nice. Oh, then we have bear stones. It's all here. It's all here, dude. Fucking... How much? What the fuck does this sound like? Is that more or less clear than... I think that's more clear about what the fuck's happening. Ugh. On the bright side, once I do all this, I never have to... It'll be far less irritating to do it again. It is just annoying to do it the first time. I don't know why I have to actually, like, go through and set this, like choose randomizer. Because I have it set in the, class to be that. So, I don't know. This is rather annoying. But once this is done, we're literally like... I upload this. Stream is over and I upload this. This is the end of what we were doing today. So, you know, pretty short and sweet. Nothing crazy. Set this back to like default. Add effect. Damn. I wish I could just set these to be default, so like anytime I add. Because this shit is like doing all of this for each and every one of them is fucking annoying. And there's not a whole lot of commentary I can give about it. You I shall give special attention to, because you are a special boy. You get to have all the figgy pudding. Not as much as you once had, but you know, more than everyone else. Because you're just so fucking cool. However, your walk sound is absolutely just gonna be boot. I do not care enough. Yeah, no, these the reason I have to reset like the ones that I've already made, I have to do this too is shit got fucked up. Like yeah, I I deleted a texture because I figured out how to fucking export the models without having to oops. I figured out how to export the models without exporting the texture with them every single time. Because I had like I just have a billion of the same fucking texture because everything uses the same texture. So I was like, okay, cool. So I can delete the texture then and just give everyone this and then it's good. No, apparently not. You delete that texture, then everything got fucking pissed and then stopped working and wouldn't load properly and everything was mad at me and I was like, whatever. I'll just have to remake everything, I guess. And that's what we did. God, my head hurts. There's like one more thing I'm gonna do before we call it good. And that is to on ready by default the arrow will be set to false. And then when you load into the level, it'll be set to true. We're almost done out of here. The man, the myth, the VHS camcorder legend is back for literally like a few more minutes, yeah. Back, I agree. Only today's stream is very short. I do not feel very well. So we're doing a very few things and then the demo is good to go and then I put it up on Patreon for free, of course, for free. And we're good then. Drink some tea, dog, you'll feel better. Maybe. I have like a fucking wicked headache. That is just like kind of kicking my ass. It's been happening more recently. I don't know what the fuck's going on, but it's kind of annoying. Sun Wukong, hello. Oh yeah, hot cup of tea will definitely help with that. Alright. I have some licorice tea. Because that shit's goated. So I'll make some licorice tea. But yeah, so I don't know what you've seen, where you think the game is at, but I'll show you real quick. I think you'll enjoy the crazy taxi arrow, right? So this is where we're at. I don't remember what you've seen so far, but the new stuff that I added recently, if you're too far away, your cursor becomes that, so you know, communicate to the player that they in fact cannot interact with this thing, and then you get close and you can. We have like 20 different characters right now, and the crazy taxi arrow serves a purpose. If you get caught, right, and you're not bloody, instead of a game over, you get sent back to wherever like your class location is, indicated by said arrow. Yeah, we gotta go. It's over in that corner. And yeah, you know, we got everything else is pretty much the same. Bunch of characters. There's the slit mouth woman. There's a banshee and a witch and the other one. So you can see, like, once we actually get like going, like there will be like shit happening, right? And then you have your rival. You gotta find them. Pixies. There's some people are kind of a little bit in the ground. Stuff's going on. There's like, yeah. I added. I can actually show it to you. Yeah, all of the monsters are like from cultures and mythology. Here, real quick. The Banshee, Jinn, Golem, Hatman. These are all the ones that are in the game. Hatman, you know, not from Mythos, but it's close enough. Uldra, Lady in White, Manigal, Narayana, that one, Pixie, Stolen Executables. Shh, don't let him know. Puga, Revenant, which is literally just a dead guy. Revenant's lore is really funny, actually. Like, his lore is just like, he's the guy who came back to life and he just wants to fuck with people's shit. That's it. Teak Belong is there, Vampire, Witch, Wraith, Scarecrow. And then we loop back around. They look jubilant. Yeah, so we got like a fair few dudes in the game at the moment. There's still like, that's like a little less than half. We got like 20 out of 58 modeled and textured in the game. So it's not too bad. What about Bambit, the biggest monster of them all? You want me to add you? Or is Bambit like an actual an actual monster? I'm not adding you into the game, my dude. I'm sorry. Unless you give me 1,000 doubloons, $10 bajillion, I want to be a monkey demon in your game. Maybe. Perhaps. No, I want to be in the game. Fuck. But yeah, so I mean, that's pretty much it. We did the things I wanted to do. Oh yeah, except for that one last thing. What about fake money from the hit Gearbox game Borderlands 2? A ship called Knuckle Dragger. Oh no, man. I think I want to stick with the motif I got going on, instead of just random shit. Because I mean, if we're doing random shit, fuck man, I got ideas. I just think this is more interesting. That was like cultural stuff. Anyway, I need to go to the player so I can turn off the fucking crazy taxi arrow. Oh fuck. You know what's funny is I planned for today to be gaming day. It was gonna be gaming Monday. That did not work out, so we'll have to do, we'll do gaming Tuesday. I made a fucking what's it called? Thumbnail. Sorry, I had a fucking aneurysm. Borderlands top down does sound dope. Yeah, it was gonna be gaming Monday. I was gonna play Twilight Princess for the first time. I've never fucking played it. I've never played any Zelda, to be fair. Or I've played like very few amounts. You can just post a link in chat. I don't care. I'm not gonna be here that long. You can just do it. Don't matter. You've done it before, I think. Plus, I can play it later then, so Everybody wins. You're good. Do not post memes in general. Do not. Monkey bot. Fuck yeah, dude. Monkey bot has some very like gorillas energy to it, like the band, not like the big monkey. I should find a monkey monster to put in the game though. I should do that. I fuck with monkey. Gibbons are the shit. Anyway, fuck. I'm getting distracted hardcore. This should have it so that it doesn't. This is what I've named the fucking thing, by the way. This is not Borderlands. It's scary when monkeys are scary in general. Chimps are fucking terrifying. Chimps are fucked. Chimps freak me the fuck out. They're like the worst monkey. The closest related to us, by the way, is the chimp, and they're fucking scary. So, take from that what you will. They're like the most violent motherfuckers. Like every other chimp is chiller than they are. Their closest relative is the fucking murder monkey. Straight up. Oh yeah. Up. Now by default it should be good. And then it doesn't. So what we want to do is what we want to do, okay? So what we want to do, okay, right? Is go to floor 1.gd and on ready generate class for player. We want to fucking player dot. What the fuck did I call this stupid ass piece of shit? Show fucking crazy not taxi arrow. It's true. Which I don't think will show it, but then we just gotta do player dot arrow dot show. Yeah, we did it, guys. They saw me from a crazy angle. Shame I don't have my debug angles anymore because Windows is fucked. But whatever. Fucking bullshit ass Windows. Pissing me off. Well, we streamed for an hour. That was longer than I expected to be streaming for. But yeah, we did it. We did the things I wanted to do. Now I will release the game to you guys, and you can join my Discord, and you can fucking tell me how shit parts of it are, and how the how the game is too long for what you can do in it. The days are too long for what you can do, and it's like fucking annoying and lame. And the eyeballs keep fucking seeing you, and it's bullshit, and all that. So. Oops. Did I fuck anything up? Nope. Oh, we're good. Okay. Alright. Drink your tea, man. You'll feel better and shit. Hell yeah. I'll drink my licorice tea. It's annoying. This is the second time this has happened. But anyway, I'll catch you guys later. I'll post this in like a little bit. Peace. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell your friends. And hype it. And click the bell.